the search goes on. I've been looking so long.
Search far and wide,
Looking for
searching my whole lifetime, but still.
Hi, I'm Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine, and welcome to our brand new edition of the 17s, where we're going to take you a little bit up close and personal with the 2017 YZ250F.
Still got the industry buzzing, and I went under why that my name is still up for discussion. All the while I've been a looking up this wrong world. Trust so much looking at the devil show. Standing through the night, the test goes off, and
Yamaha's YZ250F has dominated the 250 class for the last few years, not only in magazine shootouts, but in Supercross and outdoor nationals as well. For 2017, Yamaha gave the 250 a host of changes. That included a new head and crank. There are also changes to the rod and gearbox. The foot pegs are 5 millimeters lower. The swing arm has been redesigned around the pivot area, and the airbox now features a recessed area around the Zeus fasteners to make it to where they don't break anymore. The Yamaha returns with its 270 millimeter front brake rotor and the adjustable triple clamp that actually allows you to adjust the bar mounts in 4 separate positions. Yamaha continues to be the only manufacturer that offers their motocross models in 2 colorways. As you can see, the one that we have here is white and red, and they offer it in the standard blue as well. So for the complete in-depth test, check out the October issue of Dirtbike Magazine. And for all the latest motocross and off-road news, check out dirtbikemagazine.com. Have you seen the 2017 KX250F? If not, click the video window now.